In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the My Work page in Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or a seasoned user, mastering your workspace is essential for staying organized and productive. So let's dive right in and explore how to effectively utilize the My Work page. First, you'll want to open a browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're there, look to the top right corner for the login button. Clicking on this will take you to the sign in screen. You'll have the option to sign in using Google or by typing your specific work-related email address. Choose the option that suits you best. If you're using the Google sign-in, a prompt will appear to select the email account you'll be working with. Just click on your account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you're ready to access the My Work page. The My Work page is a centralized hub designed specifically for managing tasks assigned to you across different boards. It allows you to see everything you need in one place, offering a streamlined way to handle your workload. To find it, simply click on the My Work tab located at the upper left side of your screen. As you enter the My Work page, you'll immediately see an overview of tasks assigned to you. This page is incredibly versatile, letting you switch between table and calendar views. To see the calendar view, look for the corresponding tab and click it. This flexibility helps you visualize your tasks in the way that best suits your working style, whether it be per month, week, or even day. Customization is at your fingertips with the My Work page. You can click the Customize button to filter and sort your tasks based on various criteria like people, boards, status, date, or priority. This feature is especially useful if you need to zero in on specific projects or deadlines. Adding new tasks is seamless too. Directly from the calendar view, you can click on any date to insert a new task, integrating it into your plan effortlessly. This capability ensures that nothing slips through the cracks, allowing you to keep your schedule as flexible and comprehensive as needed. If you decide to switch back to the table view, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is an invaluable tool if you have a long list of tasks to manage. You can quickly find any task by typing its name into the search bar. This functionality makes it easy to locate specific tasks without scrolling through an extensive list. And there you have it. By fully utilizing the My Work page in Monday.com, you can keep your tasks organized and your priorities in check, making your workday more productive and manageable. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to watch for more videos on how to maximize your use of Monday.com and other productivity tools.